From the depths of the ocean, a silent giant emerges. This is a recovery of unprecedented scale, a ballet of brute force and precision engineering. Every cable, every weld tested to handle millions of pounds of pressure, harnessing the power of the sky to lift a titan from the sea. A testament to human ingenuity. The silent sentinel, brought back to the light. They said it was just a legend, a ghost ship of the deep, lost for 40 years. But some legends are too big to stay buried. The world held its breath as we tried to bring it home, and then disaster. Beneath the waves, a relic of war lies forgotten, until now. From the abyss we rise, guided by precision, protected by might. Chaos strikes, but we do not falter. With every tool at our command, we reclaim control, homeward bound. Our mission complete, our strength unyielding.
Some secrets are buried deep, but for this asset, no depth is too great. A ghost from the depths, recovered. When duty calls, we go deeper.
For over 4 decades, a forgotten submarine rested silently on the ocean floor, hidden beneath darkness and time. This is the story of the modern deep-sea expedition that risked everything to find it. From the first sonar contact to the dramatic moment of rediscovery. What they found was more than a wreck. It was a time capsule, a piece of forgotten history. This is not just a salvage mission, it is a journey into the depths of time.
Con, sonar, bearing 270, transient faint.
Steady as she goes, mister. Hold that course.
There it is again. Whatever this is, it's deep, and it's active. We proceed with caution, but we proceed now.
For over 4 decades, a secret rested in the dark. No signals, no witnesses. Only the ocean knew, until now. A modern expedition, armed with cutting-edge technology, began the impossible search. Plunging into the abyss, they faced extreme pressure and zero visibility, where one wrong move could be catastrophic. Then, a contact, a ghost from the past, finally found. The long-lost submarine. After 40 years, it was time to bring history back to the light. This wasn't just a salvage mission. It was a journey into the depths of time to preserve a forgotten legacy. Project Skyhook is a go. For the first time in history, a submarine takes to the skies. Every kilogram is accounted for. Laser guidance and artificial intelligence ensure perfect balance. The convoy moves as one, a testament to human coordination and engineering. Below, the world's only submersible landing dock awaits the arrival of its unprecedented cargo. The final phase begins. Precision meets power in the climax of the operation.
Bearing 090, mark.
I think we have to. We have to.
The primary target is located here.
All right.
And the secondary analysis confirms the risk assessment.
Then we proceed with the insertion.
Locking in the coordinates.
Wait, I clear it.
The numbers confirm it. This is the deepest resting place of the SS-115, a truly historic moment.
The active sonar sweep reveals a previously uncharted deep-sea trench, mapping the topography in real time.
This section here is showing critical failure probability.
We're seeing the same spikes on the thermal overlay. The support structure won't hold. The market volatility is concerning, but we anticipated this risk.
Yes, the exposure is significant. We need to activate the mitigation strategy immediately to protect the assets.
Beneath these waves, history sleeps. Today, we awaken it with care. Decades beneath the sea, now cradled by steel and skill. Every signal, every breath, a testament to training and trust. Home at last. A new chapter begins for a silent warrior. In rust and memory, we honor those who served beneath the waves.
For decades, it lay forgotten beneath the waves. Today, we bring it home.
Buried in darkness, its secrets preserved by the ocean's embrace.
When failure strikes, we adapt, we prevail.
Inside, time stood still. Secrets waiting to be uncovered.
A new chapter begins. The ocean has given up its secrets. For now.
For decades, she lay forgotten in the ocean's embrace. Today, we bring her home.
Beneath the waves, time stood still. Her secrets waited, preserved by the sea.
Disaster strikes, but we do not falter. This mission will not fail.
Inside, we find more than metal and machinery. We find stories, untold until now.
From the depths of the ocean to the heights of human achievement, she stands as a testament to our courage and curiosity.